प्रधानमंत्री किसान संपदा योजने संदर्भात गोंयांत पणजे सेमिनार जालो। फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीन ह्या सेमिनाराक तेंको दिल्लो। सामान्य शेतकारां मेरेन ही येवजण पावोवपा खातीर हो सेमिनार आयोजीत केल्लो। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
Today's seminar on Prime Minister's Kisan Sampada Yojna has been supported by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries to reach out to the people, the industry and other farmer organizations and self-help groups and make them aware about the various assistance schemes being run by the Ministry of Food Processing under the umbrella scheme of PMKSY. Under this, they are providing assistance from 50 crores for a mega food park to 5 crores for setting up processing and packaging preservation units in mega food parks. Up to 5 crores of assistance is provided. Assistance is also being provided for setting up backward and forward linkages, setting up agriculture clusters, then cold chains and food testing labs for obtaining HACCP and other certifications which will help the industry in marketing their produce. So this is an excellent scheme with a fund of corpus of 6,000 crores by which the ministry hopes to leverage nearly 31,000 crores of investment, benefit 25 lakh farmers and create 5 lakh plus employment opportunities for the rural youth by setting up processing units in the outside the cities in the agricultural land also. So this is an excellent scheme and this is a call from the ministry to come and utilize, explore the various options under which they can receive grants for setting up processing, preservation, packaging, marketing, linkage units and contribute to the development of the food processing sector in the country, which is growing at above 10%, contributing significantly to the GDP. And the Ministry of Food Processing had organized the World Food India event last year to attract FDI. Nearly 11 billion plus worth of MOUs were signed, and the ministry is hoping that they will all be converting into actual processing. So I think this is an opportunity for the Indian food processing industry, the startups, the youth should come forward and explore this opportunity. And I hope the seminar in Goa today, along with the Goa Chamber of Commerce, will excite the youth and the food processing existing units and non-food processing units to come and explore these opportunities.